guys, it's Sakina. Welcome back to my channel. First off, did you all notice that new intro? I have been playing with different intros and trying to design something different and just fun because I've had my old intro for a while. So if you like that new intro, give me a thumbs up or comment below. No, I'm not trying to trick you into giving me a free thumbs up. So if you like the new intro, you can comment below. I just kind of want to see like what people think about the new intro. I thought it was fun. Play on like the sparkles, glitter. I love glitter. I love disco theme stuff as well. So just wanted to have fun with that. So yeah, give me some feedback and let me know if you actually like that new intro or if I should keep trying, because I'm not necessarily in love with it, but I think it's kind of cool. It's different. But I also want to know your opinion as well. But this video is about something entirely different. I am going to be showing you guys my closet organization. I've been trying to level up my wardrobe for a while now, and it's taken some time because I am very methodical and thoughtful when it comes to what I purchase, and especially when it comes to clothes. That is the whole sustainable side of this video or of my platform. Is I do focus a lot on sustainability and being eco-friendly. So oftentimes it's definitely difficult for me to find clothes that I feel are stylish, but at the same time are considered eco-friendly. I will say lately I have been purchasing from companies that might not necessarily be the most eco-friendly, and that's just because they have the style that I want. But another piece of sustainability, it doesn't necessarily have to be made with a sustainable type of fabric or recycled or, you know, secondhand thrift. It can also be something that you plan on keeping in your wardrobe for a long period of time, which is something that I often try to do when I purchase stuff. I'm thinking longevity. I'm thinking about how I'll look in this particular piece 2 years, 5 years, 10 years from now. Will it still be relevant? Will it still be age appropriate? That sort of thing. And I'm at an age now where it does kind of matter. I don't want to look like I'm 18 years old or 21 years old wearing Forever 21 clothing. I'm at an age now where I need to look a certain way, or I want to look a certain way. I want to look sophisticated. At the same time, I still want to look fun and youthful. So I'm trying to balance all of that while finding pieces that I actually love without sacrificing quality and ethical production practices that the company might actually use. So that's something else I take into consideration. But right now I'm going to go through my closet. I'm going to go through pieces, see what I have. We're going to be doing some steaming today. Garment care is all about sustainability. If you want your garments to last long, take care of them, wash them the appropriate way, and just take care of them so that you don't feel the need to always go shopping. So we're going to be doing some steaming of some items that have been in my closet for a while, just getting the wrinkles out so they can look nice and pristine and beautiful when I see them and I want to grab them and reach for them and put them on. And also I need to do some repair. I think I need to do some sewing and mending on a few pieces. That's another sustainable practice. You know, just because something rips doesn't mean you need to throw it out. Go get yourself a little sewing kit and put that stuff back together, or find someone who knows how to do it so they can do it for you, and you don't have to go and purchase a new piece. You can just kind of recycle that one, mend it, and move on with your day and save some money. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to show y'all my closet, show y'all the pieces that I love, show y'all the pieces that I'm selling on Poshmark, because I do sell on Poshmark and Depop. I will link those below in the description. And yeah, just kind of go through and show you what it takes to kind of level up, maintain, and organize your wardrobe. Don't make fun of me for my plastic hangers. Eventually I do want to move over to wooden hangers, but we're not there yet. Let's take it one step at a time. Okay, so as I was going through my closet, I decided to separate my clothes into separate piles. I have a pile for things that need to be steamed, a pile for items that I really like that just need to be rehung or just need to move it out of the way, items that need to be donated because they no longer fit or I've outgrown that style, and then there are items that need to be mended. So I kind of separated things out so that I can get a better view of what my closet looks like and what's gonna be staying in my wardrobe. Like this top here, this top is missing a button, so I'm gonna see if I can mend that, if I can find that button and re-sew it. So I have my sell pile there, a donate pile there, my mend pile there, my keep pile, and my steam pile. So as you can see, I don't have a ton of clothes and I like it that way. I just really need to organize them so that I can see how I am able to put together my outfits. I'm also going to reorganize my shoes and clean out those boxes that were in the corner there. Oh gosh. Okay, so I removed all of my shoes from the shelf, and as you can see, the shelf is pretty dirty just from the bottoms of my shoes. There's hair and all kinds of marks. So I'm just gonna go over with the Clorox wipe and get rid of all those stains so it's nice and clean. So I've removed all of my shoes from my closet, and I noticed that a few of them need to be cleaned, particularly my tan light colored shoes. So I have some laundry detergent, some warm water, and a toothbrush, and I'm going to use that to clean off the shoes. These shoes mostly are suede, and this works perfectly for suede shoes, and I do this just to kind of maintain them and make sure they stay clean, and I don't feel the need to go and buy new shoes when I take care of my shoes. So this is what my closet looks like after I have organized, removed things from ugly hangers, and rehung everything to face the correct way. Just want to do some final spacing of the hangers. This is something I learned in retail. It really does contribute to just an overall organized look. It looks so beautiful. I love it. All right, so I think I'm at a spot where I can focus on doing some mending. I have two garments that are pretty damaged. One's missing a button and one has a hole in it because it's really cheap and I got it from AliExpress. It's cute, but really cheap, and so yeah, it already needs to be sewn together, which is what I'm gonna do now. But I like where my closet is at right now. I do keep some boxes in here of some things that I sell, because I do have online boutique. If you haven't already checked that out, I'll link it below. It's linked to my blog, but I also sell things on Poshmark and Depop. And so I keep a lot of my shipping items like boxes and stickers and some of the items that are new that I sell, because I sell new items like earrings and things like that. I keep them in a box underneath here, which kind of clutters my space, but my apartment isn't super large. I don't have a ton of storage space. Or maybe I just have too much stuff, so that's why I'm doing this entire thing, so I can actually see what I want to keep, what's time, what I have to get rid of. I'm getting rid of so many freaking hangers that are just extra. I hate extra plastic hangers. It just annoys me, so I'm getting rid of those. I'm liking how the closet is looking right now. I'm gonna mend a couple pieces, and then I'll put the boxes back in here in a more organized way, and let's see how long I can keep it looking like this. All right, so put the boxes back in. I didn't touch the top shelf because top shelf is really, it's all good. It's just some shoes and a really big bag. But I added in everything that was in that corner, which is my yoga mats, and then the boxes. So I have, most of the things are inside the one big U-Haul box, but there's some extra boxes which I use for shipping. So whenever I ship off things that I sell, I have those ready. But I'm overall really happy with what I've done. It feels a lot better. Let me tell you, it feels so much better to see it look so organized, because I can clearly see what I have, and it allows me to like see what is available for me to wear. So oftentimes I think one of the reasons why people always feel like they need to get new stuff is because they can't even see clearly what they have in their closet. So I think that organizing your closet every so often, every few months, you know, as life gets busy, you start getting lazy and you don't really put the work into making sure everything is organized. But when you take the time to actually sit down, organize things, you can go through and cull everything that you know you don't really want, get rid of, donate all the things you don't want, maybe sell a couple items that may still be worth something to someone else, and then you can actually have a clear view of what is in your wardrobe and decide, do you actually need to buy new stuff, or were you just not taking care of the things that you already had. I really like that I took the time to steam a couple pieces because they look so much better. Like when you see them steamed and cleaned and wrinkle free, they look more wearable. Like I look at them, I'm like, oh, I can see myself wearing that now, as opposed to just seeing this wrinkled shirt that I threw on a hanger and definitely don't want to wear. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you learned anything, or if this video was something that you found interesting, give me a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos like this. I'll post 1 to 2 videos per week, and I'm going to continue that because I really enjoy making these videos for you guys. I have some new subscribers, so hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking the videos, and thank you for commenting. I will see you guys next time. Bye.